So today we will discuss basic proportionality theorem. State and prove basic proportionality theorem. In the exam, you have to this type of question is there. Sometimes statement is there, sometimes statement you have to write. So what is the statement of basic proportionality theorem? So statement is if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, then it divides the other two sides of a triangle in same ratio. Suppose we have taken this triangle ABC. A line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, that is DE is parallel to BC. We have to prove that it divides the other two sides in the same ratio, AD over DB equal to AE over EC. Okay, so what is given? In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. We have to prove AD over DB equal to AE over EC. Now we have to do construction work. Draw DE DF parallel to AC. Perpendicular to AC. And EG is also perpendicular to, not AC, to AB. Okay, and join DC and EB. This line you can show dotted. Okay, so proof. You have to take area of triangles of 4 triangles. You have to take area of 4 triangles with base AD, with base DB, with base AE and base EC. As you know that area of triangle is half of base into height. First you take ADE triangle. Area ADE, half of base is AD and height is GE. Consider this as first. Again, take area DB. You have to take base DB. DBE. This is also half of base now DB and height is again GE. Then you have to take area of triangle again ADE, but you have to take base AE. And height is DF. This consider as third. Again area DEC. Again half of base is EC now. Height of that triangle is also DF. Sometime height is, altitude is outside the triangle in case of obtuse angle triangle. So these four equations are there. Okay. Divide first by second. Area ADA upon area DBE equal to half of AD into GE upon half of DB into GE. GE is cancelled, half is cancelled with half, AD over DB. Similarly, divide third by fourth equation. So area again ADA upon area DEC half of AE into DF divided by half of EC into DF. So consider this as the fifth equation and this is as sixth equation. So area ADE, DBC and DEC. Okay, you can see that from fifth and sixth, but triangle DEC and triangle DBE are on same base DE and between same parallel DE and BC. Okay, so area DEC is equal to area DBE. This is fifth, this is sixth, and this is seventh equation. From fifth, sixth, and seventh equation, you can see that left hand side ADE, DBE, because the DBE is equal to DEC. Okay, so that means AD over DB equal to AE over EC. Okay, so this is the theorem. Now corollary is there. Sometime they have asked you have proved now AD over DB equal to AE over EC. Add one both side. This is corollary. AD over DB. Sometimes you have to use this identity. means identity, you can say this theorem part is there, that is corollary. This property you have to use. Take dB as LCM, AD plus dB, AE plus EC upon EC. AD plus dB is AB. AB over dB is also equal to AC over EC. So this result you can use it in some of the question. Again, if you reciprocate dB on reciprocal, dB over AD equal to EC over AE. Again add 1 both sides. dB over AD plus 1, EC over AE plus 1. Take LCM as AD, dB plus AD, EC plus AE upon AE. dB plus AD is again AB over AD is also equal to AC over AE. So these two results that we are getting from the theorem, basic proportionality, AD over dB equal to AE over AC, and AB over dB, AC over EC, and AB upon AD equal to AC upon AE. Okay, thank you.